Hey everybody, here's a quick video to show you how to set up the riving knife with the blade guard on a new DeWalt DWE7485. Okay, the first step is just to raise the saw blade. Second step is to take off the top plate, flip it from lock to unlock, and then just pull it out. The final step, which is giving most people problems probably right about now, is this. You unscrew the riving knife, but you can't get it out. The trick is now you push it in. Once you push it in, it can slide right out. To put a new riving knife, or to put the riving knife that has the blade guard on it, put it back where it came from, inside the silver plate here, push it in again, and then screw it down and tighten. Next, reinsert the plate, and then lock it back in place. Go from the unlocked to the locked position. With that, you're all done. If this video helped you, best way to thank me is to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, everybody.